Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the incredible world of Worldcoin, a project that is changing the game in cryptocurrency space. So what's even more exciting is I had a privilege of experiencing it during the ETH India hackathon. Let's delve into the project's main three components and my personal encounter with the ore. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with our crypto adventures. Now let's get into it. Worldcoin's mission is to provide equal access to the global economy no matter where you are from, who you are. It's built to create the largest network for people's identities and money, making sure everyone has a ownership. This grand vision is all about making a space for every single person on earth. So where we can all thrive in this era of artificial intelligence. So what is the core of Worldcoin? Imagine it as a puzzle with three essential parts. First, there is a World ID. It's a secure digital passport that enables you to prove your unique identity without disclosing your personal details. So now let's talk about the World app. So it's your financial hub connecting you to a world of opportunities. You can use spatial identity, explore grants, and even dive into the different types of digital money. And the magic of Worldcoin wouldn't be complete without the WLD token. It's like the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. But hold on your excitement. At the ETH India hackathon, I got an exclusive look at the ore. This special device is all about verifying your unique identity, and guess what? There are only 2000 of remarkable devices are manufactured here. Think of it as your personal passport to the WorldCoin universe. By utilizing biometric technology, the orb is designed to scan your eyes, creating a unique identification for every individual. It's like a key to your own digital realm. Okay, so it's all about what is WorldCoin. Now let's talk about how you can earn from WorldCoin. So WorldCoin offers an exciting opportunity for you to earn through their ecosystem. There is a World app when you verify your identity using the World ID, and then you become eligible for various grants and rewards. These grants can be distributed weekly, allowing you to earn WorldCoin's native token WLD, and you can also claim it within the World app. So by simply verifying your identity and engaging with WorldCoin ecosystem, you open the door to potential earnings. Keep an eye on the app and their updates for more exciting opportunities. So that's it for this video. If you want to know more about Worldcoin, let me know in the comment, and thank you for watching.